The United States Code, Version History. Prepare to Practice, Module 6, Lesson 4. In this lesson, you will learn about where to find the history line of a statute, what information is in a history line, how to find a specific version of that statute, and using Hein Online to look at past versions of the U.S. Code. The history line at the end of each statute gives you a lot of information when starting your legal research on a specific statute. It can tell you the original public law number and statute at large citation, and it can show you how many times and when the statute has been amended. Reading the history line can help you interpret when changes happened at your statute and can point you to the right place when trying to find when language changes occurred, often the most straightforward thing to research when looking at legislative history. When looking at version history of a statute, it is important to pinpoint when the language you are interpreting was brought into the statute. Looking at the current statute, you can read how it is currently enforceable. But perhaps the language changed over the years with different acts. This is where version history comes in. Looking at past versions of the statute, you can ascertain when the language of your statute came in. Knowing which act amended the language allows you to study that legislative history for a dialogue on those changes. Up next, using Hein Online to find past versions of the U.S. Code.